Ulanzi just released a new wireless lavalier microphone system. Oh, hold on one second. Okay. The Ulanzi U-Mic AM18 just came in the mail. It has a lot of features that other major brands have at a fraction of the price, being about a third of the price. But can it really compare to brands such as Rode or DJI? Let's unbox the Ulanzi U-Mic and see why it would be a good audio solution for you. Let's talk about it. Before we get to the unboxing, I just want to let everybody know that Ulanzi didn't contact me to do a review on this product. I bought this with my own money. They don't even know I'm making this video. I bought this on a pre-sale for $79 US with free shipping. And to be honest, shipping, it came pretty quick, about less than 14 days. So coming from China, that's actually pretty good. I also paid an extra $9.99 US, and I got this sweet little mini tracker, sweet little accessory tech pouch. If you'd like me to do a review on this at some point, let me know in the comments below. There's going to be some key points that I'm going to talk about in this video regarding the Ulanzi U-Mic. Obvious features of the U-Mic AM18, build quality, sound quality and performance, and value based on features versus the price. Let's open this up and see what's inside. First impressions, it looks really good. Shipping from China, usually it may come a little dented, a little crushed, depends. There's a lot of hands touching it and logistics, so this one actually didn't have any issues. Maybe a small little ding here, but it made it here in one piece, so that's great. Some things to note on the side of the box: it contains local storage, which we'll be talking about a little bit later, 100 meters of accessible reception, stereo sound, secure audio tracks, hi-fi audio quality, it's highly sensitive, and touch operation. They even show you some items on the back and how to hook it up to your camera. This is the first time Ulanzi has made a wireless lavalier microphone system that's not proprietary to smartphones. This can actually be used with a camera, and it shows how to hook up the system to your camera just on the back of the box. But I'm sure there's a manual inside that's going to show us that as well. Let's take a look inside and see what Ulanzi has to offer in this AM18 U-Mic wireless system. Highly satisfying opening these boxes. I'll put that away for a second. So immediately when you open the box, you're greeted with the manual, and it's in, I believe, Chinese and English. And it seems to be a very nice manual as well, and lots of information on how to use the product. Good job on the manual, Ulanzi. And this would be, I assume, for the accessories. Let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. They give you 2 dead cats for the microphones. They give you a cord for your camera, so you can plug into your mirrorless camera or DSLR or what have you. They also give you a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, which is great. And they also give you the USB-C to USB-C. Could be used for charging as well, but data cable. This could also be used for data cable as well, depending on what computer you use. With my MacBook Air, I'd be using something like that. And for anything else that doesn't have USB-C in the laptop or computer. Also comes with a cord for lightning as well for anybody who's using an iPhone. Oh, there's something else in the box. Pouch. You can keep your accessories in. Actually, it feels pretty good. Very nice. There's also some sort of stickers. There's A, B, and C. I think they may be perhaps magnetic pieces. I am not sure, but I will check into that. The main unit, nice foam insert, and also has your qualified certificate from Ulanzi that it's been inspected. That also being said, thank you card for the purchase in the package as well when I opened up the bag from shipping. So nice touch, Ulanzi. So let's take a look at the main unit now. It is light, but I was expecting it to be lighter. I wasn't sure how the build quality was going to be, but from right now it seems to be pretty okay. Let's get this plastic off and take a look at it. It does have a little bit of a weight to it, but I don't think this will fit in your pocket or anything, but it's going to be definitely easy to carry around. So here it is, the main unit, build quality to plastic. Not too bad. Ulanzi usually makes a fairly good product just by showing a couple of items here. This thing is so heavy duty, it's great. Same with the Falcam F38 system that I use with my backpack. It's actually really well made. So a lot of their products do come well made at a very affordable price. You also see the 4 indicating lights on the state of charge for the unit. On the back is your USB-C charging port. Let's see what happens when we open up the unit. As soon as you open up the unit, the branding Ulanzi comes on, and then it goes right into your receiver here. Let's take out the receiver and take a look at that. So as soon as you open the case, it automatically pairs. On the receiver, there's two buttons on the top near the OLED screen. Up and down for both microphones are going. This is a pretty light unit, which is not too bad. Other videos I saw seem bigger, but it's actually not too bad of a size. It also has touch interface, which I'll show in a little bit. The two top buttons right here are for muting each track. So if I hit this button, it'll mute this track. If I hit that button, it'll come back on again, and so on. But I think I may need to take off the plastic in order to use it. On the side of the button, there's a lock button. Shows that it's locked. The LCD screen has swipe features. This has a touch screen interface. You swipe down, and then you can scroll over to your different items. Right now, it is actually set in Chinese, so I can go over to my settings and switch it to English. That makes it a little bit easier to navigate the system, for me at least. I find the swiping works okay. I mean, it's a little bit slower. There's no haptic feedback or anything like that. There's gain control, volume, mono, stereo, and the safety track. So you can actually record a safety track using the second microphone. On the side, you have a lock button. Your settings dialed in, you can lock them in. There's a USB-C port on the side, used for data transfer and charging, I would assume. These are the charging pins on the bottom for the case. You also have an audio monitoring jack for a 3.5mm cable. And then you also have your hookup for your camera. So that's another 3.5 TRS cable that will go in here and then go into your camera. The clip on the back, I do wish they made this a little bit better plastic. It does seem like at some point it will break, but you know, for $79 US, it's fairly good. I find the build quality is acceptable for the price. And you see now there's charging as well. I believe you do get multiple charges in this. Let's take a look at the transmitters. They are smaller than what I thought. Looking on the video as well, plastic clip, like I said, I have a feeling at some point this is going to break as well as the one on the receiver. The plastic is not sure if it'll hold up. It may, but like I said, for the price, it's still acceptable. There's some indicating lights on the front. On the side, your power button, so you can press that, and then a number of lights will show up. You have your battery light saying that it's charging. You have a light here showing that it's synced, and you have a light showing that there's a microphone. The microphone is on. There's also another one here. I believe it turns red, and I'll show you that in just a second. I believe it's for the onboard recording. This actually has local storage, so you're actually able to have a backup audio track here just by pressing this button right here, and then it'll record up, I think, up to 8 gigs of audio. Then you can extract it from the USB-C port, data port right here, right into your computer. On the bottom is your pins for your charging case as well, and on the back, like I said, power button and then your gain button. Overall, it's not bad build. So on the top is your lavalier microphone where your dead cat attaches to. It also has a 3.5mm lavalier microphone port that you can plug a wired lavalier into here if you didn't want to have this on your shirt and you wanted to tuck it away somewhere and just wire up your lavalier mic under your shirt or what have you. So that's a good feature too. And if it tends to fall off, the dead cat is nice and soft. Let's see if we can get this on in one go. Twist on just like that. Will not come off. That's pretty good. It's very nice actually. Minimal, not a bad color. It is really soft, but not sure how it'll work. We'll do some testing to see how it works outside. I think I would always use this outside, so when I do my testing, I'll always have this on. The area I live, it's quite windy, so it'd be better if I just keep this on for testing as well. Let's do some studio testing on the sound. We'll do my shotgun microphone. We'll do, obviously, the transmitter, and we'll also do a transmitter with the wired lavalier microphone plugged in as well. So let's go do that from my shotgun microphone. This is what the audio sounds like from the UMic AM18 from Ulanzi. And this is what it sounds like with the AM18 Ulanzi UMic with a lavalier microphone corded plugged into the top of the transmitter. Yellow belly baby bumpers. Build quality isn't too bad for this product based on the price. So I would say the value of, features versus dollars is actually pretty fantastic, but you be the judge. I'll leave a link in the description below for the microphone on the Ulanzi website. It's just a link, not an affiliate link. We do a lot of different types of videos, and we'd really like to focus on a certain type of content. I would love to know what type of content you would like to see from this channel. If you like our content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. hit that notification bell to get notified of any upcoming videos that we have coming out. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.